Good evening everyone. Today we are going to 9th standard chemistry. 9th standard chemistry, chemical bonding. The topic oxidation and reduction and redox reaction. Oxidation, reduction and redox reaction. Let us consider first one, oxidation. Oxidation. What are the condition of oxidation? First, number one, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Second, number two, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Third one, loss of electron. Loss of electron. There are three conditions undergoes oxidation. First, number one, addition of oxygen. Second one, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Third one, loss of electron. Loss of electron. Okay. Let us consider first one, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Example, magnesium combines with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Two oxygen only one time, two times. Two magnesium only one times, so two. Another one example, zinc. Zinc combines with oxygen to give zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Two times of oxygen only one, two. Two zinc only one is a two. So first condition is undergoes for the oxidation, addition of oxygen. So metal combines with oxygen. Not only metal, any one of the element combines with the oxygen to form metal oxide or element oxide. In this process is known as oxidation process. Okay. Second, number two, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Example, removal of hydrogen. Example, calcium hydride. Calcium hydride. Calcium hydride to give calcium plus H2. Calcium plus H2. This is for removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Third one, loss of electron. Loss of electron. Loss of electron. So electron become lost. Fe 2 plus to gives Fe 3 plus. Fe 2 plus become changed to Fe 3 plus 1 electron loss. 1 electron loss. What are the conditions for the oxidation? There are three conditions. First, number one, addition of oxygen. Second, number two, removal of hydrogen. Third one, loss of electron. Okay. Next topic we discuss about reduction. Next one, reduction. Reduction. First condition number one, reduction. Here, addition of hydrogen, addition of oxygen, oxidation. So here, addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen is known as the reduction. Example, sodium combines with hydrogen to give sodium hydride. Sodium combines with hydrogen to give sodium hydride. Two hydrogen, only one hydrogen, two. Two sodium, only one sodium, so two. First number one, addition of hydrogen. Second one, removal of oxygen. Second one, removal of oxygen. Example, cupric oxide. Cupric oxide. Cupric oxide So react with hydrogen to give metal. Hydrogen combines with oxygen. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to give H2O. Second one, removal of oxygen. Oxygen become replaced, removed. Third one, gain of electron. Third one, gain of electron. Example, Fe3 plus 1 electron. Fe3 plus 1 electron to gives Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus. What are the conditions for the reduction? Addition of hydrogen, point number 1. Second, point number 2, removal of oxygen. Point number 3, gain of electron. Okay, this is condition for reduction. Next, to compare oxidation and reduction. To compare the oxidation and reduction. Let us compare the first point here, addition of oxygen for oxidation. Here, addition of hydrogen for reduction. Second one, removal of hydrogen for oxidation, removal of oxygen for reduction. Third one, loss of electron for oxidation, gain of electron for reduction. Let me conclude oxidation and reduction. So, oxidation is inversely proportional to reduction. Oxidation is inversely proportional to reduction. Oxidation is inversely proportional to reduction. Next topic we will discuss about redox reaction. Redox reaction. What are the conditions of the redox reaction? Both oxidation and reduction at the simultaneously reaction takes place. A chemical reaction takes place simultaneously, both oxidation and reduction. Such reaction is known as redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction. Already you know oxidation and reduction. So in chemical reaction takes place is undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Both oxidation and reduction are the simultaneously. In this types of reaction is known as redox reaction. Let us consider first one, lead oxide, PbO. Lead oxide combines with coke, carbon to give lead plus carbon monoxide. Lead plus carbon monoxide. First number one. Second one, zinc. Zinc reactive with copper sulfate. Zinc reactive with copper sulfate to give displace reaction. Zinc combines with sulfate, zinc sulfate plus copper. How will you find out in these types of reaction become a redox? Okay. First one, zinc oxidation state become 0. Zinc oxidation state become a 0. Copper 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Copper 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Product side, zinc 2 plus pure metal oxidation state 0. Okay. First one, to cover zinc. Zinc 0 to 2 plus. Oxidation number 0 to 2 plus. When oxidation number increases, takes place at a oxidation. Oxidation 0 to 2 plus. Next one, copper. Copper 2 plus to 0 state. Here copper 2 plus. Copper Cu 2 plus to Cu 0. So copper 2 plus to 0 state. So copper 2 plus to 0 state, oxidation number become decreases. Oxidation number become decreases. So oxidation number become decreases, reduction. Oxidation number decreases become a reduction. So both oxidation and reduction are the simultaneously at the same time. Both oxidation and reduction are the simultaneously. Both oxidation and reduction are at the simultaneously in these types of reaction is known as redox reaction. Okay. What are the conditions for redox reaction? A reaction takes place, a chemical reaction takes place, both oxidation and reduction. Both oxidation and reduction are the simultaneously. In these types of reaction is known as redox reaction. Next one, oxidizing and reducing agent. Oxidizing and reducing agent. First of all, oxidizing agent. A substance ability to oxidize it. A reaction takes place substance to ability to oxidize it. In these types of agent is known as oxidizing agent. In oxidizing agent is electron acceptor. Electron acceptor. Example KMnO4, potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 is a powerful strong oxidizing agent. Powerful strong oxidizing agent. A chemical reaction takes place to ability to oxidize the substance. A chemical reaction takes place to ability to oxidize the substance. In these types of reagents become electron acceptor. Electron acceptor. Okay. Next one, reducing agent. Reducing agent. Next one, reducing agent. What are the conditions for reducing agent? The ability to reduce the substance. Ability reduce the substance. Ability to reduce the substance is known as reducing agent. Reducing agent. Second one, so most of the reducing agents plus electron donor. Electron donor. Electron donor. Example, lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. Sodium borohydride, etc. Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride. To combat oxidizing agent and reducing agent, just inversely proportional. A substance get ability to oxidize it. Such reactant known as oxidizing agent. A substance that reduce ability to reduce the substance is known as reducing agent. So oxidizing agent electron acceptor, reducing agent electron donor. That is negative charge, electron donor. So comparisons, oxidizing agent is inversely proportional to reducing agent. Oxidizing agent is inversely proportional to reducing agent. Okay. Next one, oxidation. What are the role of oxidation in our daily life? What are the role of oxidation in our daily life? Example, simple example. A piece of apple. A piece of apple to cut a knife. After sometimes, the surface of the apple become a brown color. Surface of the apple become a brown color. Such types of reaction is known as oxidation. First, number one. Second one, iron. Nut and bolt contain iron. Get oxidized. That is rusting of an iron. Rusting of iron. Okay. Next one, some of the building is polished with metal. Shining appearance. Metal. Get oxidized. Metal coated painting get oxidized, shining appearance kuda. So many chemical reactions, especially oxidation and reduction chemical reaction, it can be used as here in our daily life. Okay. Next one, oxidation number. What are the definition of oxidation number? What are the definition of oxidation number? An element can exhibit to produce formal charge. Formal charge. Formal charge. Some of of the element become a zero oxidation state. Oxidation number is nothing but oxidation state. But zero oxidation state, neutral element. Some of the element become positive and as well as negative oxidation state. Positive oxidation state and as well as negative oxidation state. Example, hydrogen. Hydrogen both positive and as well as negative, +1 and -1. Some of the element become a negative oxidation state. Negative oxidation state. Okay. Let us consider hydrogen +1 and -1 oxidation state. Both dual characters. Oxygen -2 oxidation state. Oxidation number is nothing but oxidation state. Okay. Example. Take H2 water. Simple example. Water. To calculate the oxidation state of oxygen. To calculate the oxidation state of oxygen. Oxygen oxidation state. So become a X plus hydrogen +1 oxidation state. So 2 into 1. Because of 2 hydrogen equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to -2. X equal to -2. So x equal to -2. So x is nothing but oxygen. So oxygen -2 oxidation state. Lithium hydride. Lithium hydride. To calculate the oxidation state for hydrogen. So X. Lithium +1 oxidation state. X +1 equal to 0. X equal to -1. X is nothing but hydrogen. So hydrogen -1 oxidation state. Lithium +1, hydrogen -1. Okay. Suppose you take the king of chemicals, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. To calculate the oxidation state of sulfur, to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur, so sulfur become a X plus hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. 2 into 1 plus. Next oxygen. 4 oxygen. Oxygen charge -2 equal to 0. X plus 2 minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to plus 6. X equal to plus 6. So X is nothing but sulfur. So sulfur plus 6 oxidation state. Sulfur plus 6 oxidation state. Okay. Next. Take oxidizing agent KMnO4. Potassium permanganate. To calculate the oxidation state for Mn, manganese. So X plus potassium 1 plus 4 into -2 equal to 0 because of 4 oxygen. 4 oxygen. So X plus 1, 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to plus 7. So X is nothing but Mn plus 7. Plus 7. So Mn manganese plus 7 oxidation state. Okay. First one come back. Water. Water. First one water. So water, oxygen -2. Hydrogen plus 1. So oxygen -2. Hydrogen plus 1. So substitute the value for H2O. Hydrogen plus 1 oxidation state. So 2 hydrogen plus 2. Oxygen 1 oxygen -2. So plus 2 -2 totally 0. So we are accepted for molecular formula for water H2O. Lithium hydride plus 1 -1 totally 0. So we are accepted for hydride ion. Hydride ion. Sum of the oxidation number. Sum of the oxidation number. All oxidation number of an element become 0. Suppose sulfuric acid, sulfur oxidation state plus 6. Hydrogen, one hydrogen, two hydrogen plus 2. Oxygen minus 2, 4 times minus 8. So minus 8 plus 6 plus 2, totally 0. So accept. Sulfuric acid, accept. So oxidation number is nothing but that is oxidation state. Oxidation state. Okay. Finally, we are conclude some book back question. Okay. We are discuss about some problem. First, number 1. Find out the oxidation number of chromium in Na2Cr2O7. Na2Cr2O7. Book problem, page number 158. Solution. First, number 1. Na2Cr2O7. So, chromium oxidation state become calculated. So, 2 chromium 2x plus sodium plus 1 oxidation state 1 sodium 1. So, 2 sodium 2 into 1 plus oxygen minus 2 oxidation state. So, 7 into minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 plus 2. 7 2s are 14 minus 14 equal to 0. 2x minus 12 equal to 0. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 2. Cancel 6. So x equal to plus 6 oxidation state. Plus 6 oxidation state. Where x is a chromium. So chromium oxidation state plus 6. First, number 1. Second one, find out the oxidation number of copper in copper sulfate, CuSO4. Copper sulfate. So copper X plus sulfur 6 plus 6 plus oxygen 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 6 minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. Here copper oxidation state plus 2. Second one. Third one. FeO. FeO in Fe. FeO. X minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. So Fe plus 2 oxidation number. Simply we have discussed Fe2 plus oxygen 2 minus. Fourth one, carbon dioxide CO2. So carbon dioxide CO2 oxidation number of carbon. So carbon, that is X 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. Because of oxygen 2 minus. So X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. So carbon plus 4 oxidation state. Okay. So carbon plus 4 oxidation state. Next, conclusion. Today we are discuss about first, number 1, oxidation. What are the condition of oxidation? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, loss of electron. Second one, reduction. What are the condition of reduction? Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, gain of electron. To comparison of oxidation reduction, just inversely proportional. To comparison of oxidation reduction, just inversely proportional. Okay. Next one, redox reaction. Redox reaction, in a chemical reaction takes place, both oxidation and reduction are the simultaneously. Both the oxidation and reduction are there simultaneously. In these types of reaction is known as the redox reaction. Next one, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, just inversely proportional. Oxidizing agent to ability to oxidize the substance. Reducing agent to ability to reduce the substance. Oxidizing and reducing agent. Last one, oxidation number. That is formal chart. Oxidation number. Oxidation number is nothing but oxidation state of an element. Oxidation state of an element. Okay. Thank you.